Welcome back to the online classes, my dear students. A very pleasant morning to all of you. Now, today is day 4, and we are going to start our grammar portion. As you all know about parts of speech, so in that parts of speech, we'll start with the first topic, that is noun. What is nouns, right? So you all know what is nouns. Somebody will say that a noun is the name of person, place, or thing. Somebody may call it noun is a naming word. And according to me, it is everything in this world is a noun, as we have discussed in our earlier classes. Now let's move ahead and know more about nouns. As you know, how many types of nouns are, like you have heard common noun, proper noun, countable, uncountable noun, concrete, abstract, collective, material, compound. These are the types of nouns you have already read. Now we are in this class, we are going to we are going to learn about the forms of noun. So in this chapter we'll be learning about the forms. That is, the first form is singular and the second one is plural. So what does the singular form means and what does the plural form means? So I'll read it out for you. The singular form is used to refer to one person or thing. On the other hand, the plural form is used for referring to more than one person or things. This type of nouns are called countable noun or uncountable noun. So when you'll see that what is a singular noun and what is plural noun, you can easily categorize that those nouns which comes in the category of singular and comes in the category of plural. If it is coming in the category of singular, it will be called as a countable noun, and if it is coming in the category of plural, then it will be called as a uncountable noun. So let us now look into the examples of common uncountable noun. Can you now give me some words which falls in the category of common uncountable noun? Yes, go ahead and you can try by yourself. Now let me give you some words which comes in a common uncountable noun, that is absence, food, wind, behavior, beauty, death, truth, fear, nature, justice, safety, depression, peace, finance, power, intelligence, youth, capacity, health, pride, welfare. So these are the words which is categorized into uncountable, common uncountable noun. But when a singular form of a countable noun is used as subject, it takes singular verb. Do you understand what I said? When a singular form of when a singular form of uncountable noun is used, it takes singular verb. What does it mean? It means like, you can I'll better explain you with giving you an example. Like, a girl is singing in the park. So as you can see in this example, girl is a singular noun, singular form, and since it was said in the definition that when a singular form of countable noun is used as subject, it takes singular verb. So what is the singular verb you can find here in this sentence? The singular verb we can see is. It is, which is used with a girl. That is the singular countable noun. Next example is, some girls are singing in the park. So what you think, some girls are a singular countable noun or common uncountable noun? Yes, try to answer this question. Yes, very correct. Girls are some girls are here common uncountable noun. So therefore it is taking a plural verb, and that is it is taking are with the plural uncountable or plural countable nouns. Now moving to the next, singular countable noun take a determiner before them, but plural countable noun do not take any determiner when they refer to something in general. Once again, I would like you to read this definition. Singular countable noun takes a determiner before them, but plural countable nouns do not take any determiners when they refer to something in general. So we can understand this definition by reading the example, by discussing more of this example. Now, as we can see, what is the example given here? He bought a book to prepare for the examination. So in this sentence, first of all, you have to look for a singular countable noun. Now what is that? What is the singular countable noun? Can you answer me that? Yes, you are correct. Book is singular countable noun. And then it is said that before them a determiner is placed. So can you find the determiner, where the determiner is placed? Yes, a is the determiner here, since we know that a is article also, but here a book is complete determiner. Now the next example which we are going to discuss is, most schools have computers for students. So you can see that singular countable nouns take a determiner before them, but plural countable nouns do not take any determiner. So in this second example, can you find out the plural noun, that is computers? And since it is plural countable noun, so that's why it is not taking any determiners, right? Now moving to the next thing, that is the nouns which refers to general things such as quality, substance, state, action, etc., have only one form, and that is singular. Such nouns are called uncountable nouns, the nouns which cannot be counted. These nouns are not usually used with numbers or determiners like a, an, or the. For instance, like we can take some examples. Let us discuss the example. Students with intelligence can solve this problem. So before discussing this example, we must go and check out the definition, what it was saying. The noun which refers to general things such as qualities, substance, state, action, etc., have only one form, and that is singular. So look for the general things. Now what general thing you can see here, that is intelligence. Okay, so what is intelligence here? It is quality, right? So it is not taking any type of determiners before it. Okay, do you understand? Neither a nor an nor the. Now let us move to the next part. I'll tell you some rules for countable nouns, that how do we change the rules. You can add you can go through this whole table, and you can learn how to make plural noun from singular noun. And the rules for that, I'll read it for you. Singular countable nouns cannot occur without an article or determiner. Singular countable noun cannot occur without an article. You can write it down somewhere on your notebook. Example for I have lost a book. I have lost my book. Okay. Now the next rule is that uncountable nouns cannot take the article a or an. Listen it carefully. Uncountable nouns cannot take the article a or an. The example is there is sugar in the box. We cannot call that there is a sugar in the box. There is sugar in the box. Since sugar is uncountable noun, so we are not putting any type of article before that. The next point, the next rule is that although uncountable nouns do not have a plural form, we can use units of measurement to refer the quantity of uncountable items. Now what is that? We can take as an example, we bought 3 liters of milk, 2 loaves of bread, and a sachet of shampoo and 5 kilograms of rice. So as we have seen, we have read the example, we can see that 3 liters, 2 loaves, a sachet, and 5 kilograms. These are the measurement which is referred to the quantity of uncountable items. So in this case, we are using a plural form. We are using plural form of the noun. Now we are about to end this class for today, and we'll continue tomorrow with plural forms of nouns. More about that. Till then, take care, study hard, practice hard. Thank you.